Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to do matrix multiplication of the matrix in the easiest way. To do matrix multiplication, we have to remember one thing, that is two matrices can be multiplied only when the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. As you can see, A is a matrix and B is another matrix. We will do matrix multiplication of them. To do matrix multiplication of them, we have to make a chart like this. In this chart, we have written rows of the first matrix one after another and columns of the second matrix one after another. We will fill this chart by multiplying these two numbers, then these two numbers, then these two numbers. So if we multiply 1 with 1, we will get 1. 4 into 2, we will get 8. 3 into 7, we will get 21. Then again, we will multiply 4 with 1, 5 with 4, 6 with 7. Then we will get 4, 20 and 42. Then again we will do 1 into 7, 8 into 4, 9 into 7. Similarly, in this row, we will multiply 1 with 2, 2 with 5 and 3 with 8. Then we will get 2, 10 and 20. Similarly, we will fill up the entire chart. After filling up the entire chart, we'll add this 3 number and write the sum here. Then we'll add this 3 number and write the sum here. Then again, we'll add the 3 number and write the sum here. Similarly, we'll do this for all the boxes. After that, we have to write the numbers that are in same column in same row, which means 30, 36 and 42 are in same column. So we have to write them in a same row, which means like this. Then again, 66, 81 and 96 are in same column. So we have to write them in a same row, which means like this. Similarly, for this column also. So this is the matrix multiplication of these two matrices. So this was an easiest way to do matrix multiplication. Thank you everyone.